are you? I hope you're doing good. It's another beautiful autumn day in New Zealand. If you've seen my last two videos, I did up my second dining room table for my sunroom, and today I'm going to decorate the sunroom. I did have a clean out a while ago. I took a whole lot of decor out of there, trying to be a bit of a minimalist, but it is quite minimal and I think I just need to put a few things back in. So I thought I'd take you along and show you the process of how I think about what I put back in, and we'll get it decorated again. Excuse the light in my sunroom. It is a little bit of a catch-22. If I close the curtains, the room is dark, but because it is streaming in, it's very, very shadowy. Anyway guys, so this is the room as it stands at the moment. The chandelier is not wired in. That's a big huge story why that's not wired in. There is no power in this room and it's very antiquated. It seems like we're not living in 2022 when a room has no power, but it's never been put in, and we did talk to the electrician about getting it put in, but we are going to wait to get power put in here for when we do the kitchen reno. So I can live with the power not being on in here a little bit longer. Anyway, I just put the chandelier there because to make the room look a bit prettier, even though it doesn't work. I'm not going to put a lot back into the room because I kind of like how it is. I have painted the floors white, but I'm loath to show you because they're in really bad condition. I didn't actually see all the paint when I painted the floorboards. I'll give you a sneak peek though. I mean, I don't mind shabby floors, but they're a little bit shabby, so I will keep those I will keep those not on camera for another day. And this is an old blackboard that I had, that I painted over, chalkboard, whatever you want to call it, and I stenciled it with two different stencils, and I did the effect of the whitewash like I have on the table, as I said in the previous video, on the frame. I really like that. I wasn't using it as a blackboard, so I thought, well, why not make it? And if we come over here, this is just an old door that's been put in way before we lived here, and I've just put wallpaper on it because it was just a little bit grotty, and I really like the wallpaper. I like the colours in here. I'm a really big fan of blue if you haven't worked that out already. Blue and white is so fresh. It's got that Hamptons vibe, which I love, but ultimately it's probably my favourite accent colour to decorate after painting everything white. In this corner I have a chair that I actually have 6 of these chairs. I did previously use them as my dining room chairs, but they kind of need fixing up. So that just sits like tight into this corner. I've just added a French style jug. That was just a cheap jug that I painted, and this used to be a clock, and I didn't actually like the clock, so I made it into a little cupboard, but I haven't put any hooks or anything in it. But I liked the tone of the blue. I have a fake plant in a terracotta pot that I painted. I was trying to make it look aged. I didn't really succeed, but I could have done a better job. I just printed off some copyright free labels from the internet. I'll just straighten it up. That just gives it a pop of green to break up the blue a bit. So for the last hour I have literally been mucking around. See the holes in the wall? There's a new hole. This was here from a mirror that used to be up on this wall. Holes on that side too. I have been trying to find 2 things to put either side, but I spent so long overthinking it, I'm going to leave it for now, because this is what happens. I overthink things and I'm better to go away and think about, do I actually need anything in these recesses and these gaps? But I have a sign I'm going to put up along the bottom there. The sign is kind of hidden behind the decor. I really like signs. I quite often just will make one if I think I want a new sign. So that's the French word for workroom, workspace. I definitely didn't add as much decor back as I intended to. I obviously haven't added in a lot of colour, but that's kind of what I do. I do more textures rather than a lots of colour. It's just kind of like the way I decorate. Anyway guys, I hope you like it. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. I'm really happy how the table turned out, and it's looking so much better in here. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my sunroom, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.